What's up, YouTubers? I've got my 2003 Acura TL 3.2 that I picked up at auction the other week. I did a pretty crappy little video from my iPad going down the freeway in it the other day. Sorry about that. All my videos are pretty crappy though. It's because I don't have the proper equipment, and plus I've got this wonderful trimmer of mine. This car is a two-owner TL with 270,000 miles on this thing. It's a two-owner, clean Carfax, no accidents, 42 service records on the Carfax. This car has been dealer maintained since new. It's in pretty good shape for the miles and years. There are some spots where there is some paint fade starting to crop up, especially here on the roof. See that along through there. Plus, the antenna's kind of missing part of its piece and someone taped it up. I've got these two little spots here, and the spoiler has lost its paint on top. Aftermarket tint starting to bubble up, but guys, this car was $1,600, and after looking at the Carfax, it's had the transmission's been redone because these 5-speed automatics were bad about going bad. This one's been rebuilt. It's had 3 timing belts, 3 water pumps in its life. The last timing belt and water pump change was at 235. It's got gosh, what else? New radiator, new Acura battery. I mean, who the hell goes to the Acura dealer to get a new Acura battery? It's got pretty good tires on it. It's Firestones. It's got a combination of Firestones and Goodyear Eagles. But even the tires, according to the Carfax, were done at the dealer. It's got the xenon lights. This is a nav xenon package car. Apparently that was top of the line. But the car's really clean on the inside to be black. The driver's seat is showing a little bit of wear. There's some splits here and there, but it's still very supportive and comfortable. It's not rump sprung or anything like that, but the interior is really clean. It's really in good shape. Back seat. Looking good. Not bad for $1,600, huh? Let's pop the hood. Got a hair flying in front of the camera. Yeah, the tires have got good tread. This thing runs and drives great. I've put almost 1,000 miles on it since we've bought it. Yeah, check this out. Here's the Acura. This was put in March of 18. Yeah. Acura battery. 100-month limited warranty. Is that not crazy? I mean, who spends that kind of money at the dealer for a battery? But I'm just glad to see it's had all of its proper maintenance. Ooh, I'm missing a washer fluid lid. I'm just glad to see it's had all its proper maintenance. It's got a fairly new radiator. That was one of the things. Oh, it's got new valve cover gaskets. So that's good. That was on the Carfax, so that was nice. But yeah, this car runs really good. Let's do a startup real quick. I've been driving this car from Chattanooga to Atlanta I did it 4 times this week. This car runs really quiet. Hard to believe 270,000 miles. Just runs too good. Let's do a little test drive. Yeah, I've made a couple of trips to Atlanta this week in this car, and its highway manners are insanely good. I mean, 85, 90 miles per hour, no problem, cruises so easily, no issues. It's got that good Acura handling, the steering tightens up at higher freeway speeds, and it tracks just, it reminds me of a Mercedes. Or a BMW, as far as how well it tracks going down the interstate. Now, you know, it is a 2003, and this thing is pretty dated. I mean, check out this nav. This nav is hilarious. Okay, it's not even showing up anything. It'll find us in a minute. Yeah, it needs an update or two, but the AC is touch AC, so that's kind of cool and kind of unusual for 03. But yeah, the infotainment is definitely from the Galaga era, Pac-Man, Centipede, you know. But no, this car. Holy, it's got the crispest shifts. Man, it is just a good handling, good acceleration. The transmission shifts so fast and good too. It's just hard to believe that, well, 269,930, so almost 270,000 miles, but this car doesn't feel like it. And I only gave $1,600 for this car. I mean, this car, I would pay $2,600 for this car all day long after seeing the Carfax and the history and the maintenance and what have you. Hell yeah, it's well worth that. OnStar. It's got a power, let's see, we got power moonroof, it all works, fog lights. So I'm trying to see if I can find a spot where I could stop here and do a little soft launch. No one's behind me. Here's my wonderful straightaway. All right, hang on. Let's see what she can do here. Okay, got a little wheel spin. Positive shifts. Holy cow. Yeah, this thing's got it, man. It's got the beans for sure. Runs nice and cool. It's been getting pretty good gas mileage. I wish it had a tripometer or whatever, or a mile per galloner, because it's been a great road trip car running from Chattanooga to Atlanta this week, and has I should have checked and calculated my mileage, because I felt like it got good gas mileage, but I don't know what it is exactly. So anyway, but oh, it's got the Bose stereo, which actually sounds really well. The speakers are not blown. I was surprised.
Yo, what's going on, man? This is Drizzy Drake. God's plan.
But yeah, it sounds really good. The air's good and cold. Everything works on it. I mean, the only complaints really are just some cosmetics on the outside with the paint. And, you know, there's a scuff and a dent and a ding here and there. So, you know, it's not perfect. But for the money, and especially since the water pump and timing belt had been changed in the past 30,000 miles, less than 30,000 miles, I mean, that just, you know, it's got fairly new tires all the way around, a lot of new parts under the hood. This would make somebody a great first-time car or A to B car. This is the first Acura I've ever bought and owned, and I like it. I'll definitely consider another one. But anyway, just y'all have a safe weekend, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.